Solia baba iyashisa iyabakhulisa iyabahlanyisa asiyabagcwalisa bangalali bangasali asiphinde sibabuthele asiphinde sibabuthele Solinje 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 show me your number. Show me your number.
Game plan yethu. Our plan was to try and control both water and in a samba child from the wings. This is a neutralize T40 emkhathini. So kanti ukuthi akusehlulile lo ngwavela amagoli amaningi agcina qhamuka kuyethona nale masayidini but nje bekuthi siluze team lebeyilungiselela and besathi ukuthi lokho sithi kule game seyiphumile ngwenyama vele itabe inkinga so bezama yonke indlela ngathi ukuthi singabonakala njengabantu bethu donate but sizame kulwa sifike la singakhona kufika khona. Okay, our game plan ukuthi azilele holding role asinele maphola suke singakasigathi ukuthi akhole kakhulu so ukuthi siyathi ukuthi ama defenders nakakhona ayamsaba ngeexperience yakhe nangendlela bathathetli ngayo ekhedeni so siyathi ukuthi tabe kunethu abantu abamakile of which taba umsebenzi taba mncanyana ukuthi ngeke babe baningi labantu abasathekako and if vela ithola le chance yathi takhona kubadlalisa and chance yavela siyathi ukuthi akavami kulikeja alcohol lebes balungisela kona ukuthi babe quick to the ball babe first to the ball ba release fast vision yabo ibe focus but the problem lesibe nayo kube ngiloku ukuthi le ngubukako labaningi babo baqala kudlala phansi kwe-crowd lenkaka mina nje abakadlala according to le ndlela benkathi badlale ngayo babe nelivalo more than anything.
Umdlalo bokahle bomlanze kakhulu lamadlala esiwafakile besingakabheka ukuthi singathi nasidlala neswalo ishaya amagoli amancane kangaka ngoba sabona nakule part bekulukhulu nasidlala nayo Ngaloko esibonile ukuthi kusafanele sifake amandla kakhulu ukuze sitawukhona ukukhanza le standard sabo.
Lengakusho ukuthi I'm happy with the results. Indlela abafana labadlale ngayo, taking into consideration lama temperatures lebeka khona la ngephandle. Nika ukuthi ke when it comes to coaches education ngila ufike uyibone khona ukuthi imcoka kangwani coaches education, because there are no small teams nyalo sikhuluma in terms of personnel. Now buka labo coach la lokhanza ukuthi udlala nabo, it can be on paper ukuthi there is a small team, but now move nawa khuluma uyabona ukuthi athi beka iplanele Mbabane Swallows. I'm happy for the boys. We knew very well ukuthi batosina better sometimes. But opaki pass emuva because bayase saba, they will defend in numbers. So I'm happy that my boys, they were able to penetrate bakhona kushaya amagol. And we knew very well ukuthi we started nasingena early ukuthi si hit hard on their defensive debt, and then sabona ukuthi somehow there is that resistance. So we said no, let's try and play the ball. So what they will crack. Nema principles ukuthi ke if ever umuntu vele ana more numbers at the back kunalama elements ebhola lokufuna bese uyawenda like long range shots lesibonile amagoli akhona lapho because beba netinombolo letitnyenti ngale ngemuva. So sabize about no asizame kubashaya ekhashana, and now another goal, it came from macrosses, that is overlapping run. So those are the principles like nika ukuthi if a team I defender in numbers kufuna as coach uzame ukuthi or team yakho izame ukuthi you are 70s. Okay, fine. The positives are the negative aspect. I need to go and work on my pause when it comes to defensive transitions. Abamagahle nangabuka nje they were very good in my transitions bokhanza ukuthi bayangena eboxing. That means we need to go back home and work on defensive transitions ukuthi sesiluzile bese attacker sesibuya njani to add numbers at the back. Those were the negatives that we need to improve on.
Yeah, I think they gave us a tough time. They're a small team, but mabangena background in. They look like bangas major, but the most important thing was to go through to the next stage. Coming from the games, the Swallows, so it will boost the confidence going forward.
Solia baba, iya shisi abakulisa, iya bahlanyisa. Asiaba kwalisa. Bangalali bangasali asiphinze sibabuthele asiphinze sibabuthele solinje 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 solinje